Namaste and welcome to Yoga for Back Pain in Pregnancy. We're starting with the hands on the knees and sitting in a cross-legged position, and just circle your tailbone. Tiny micro movements and change direction. I like to inhale on the way up and exhale as I lean back slightly. Remembering the whole time to breathe using your belly. Exhaling, hunch up now, chin to chest, straight arms. Inhaling, slightly arch your back and lean forward. So you're exhaling, hunching, inhaling and peeling the shoulders away from the chest. Notice I'm bending arms and straightening arms. Now we're going to do something that's excellent for rib pain. Stretch up left side with the right hand on the floor. Stretch up right side. We'll inhale on the way up. Lift up tall. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. So just let this flow with your breath. Try to leave some space between the shoulders and ears. You can slightly bend your supporting arm if you need to. And we're going to get onto our backs, but we don't recommend being on the backs for very long. We're literally lying down and then we're going to move. The feet are near the hips, in line with the hips, and so are the knees. Hands down by your sides. As you inhale, you lift your pelvis off the floor, chin stays close to chest, and as you exhale, click down vertebra by vertebra from the neck downwards, inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. This is also excellent for digestion, excellent for back pain, and excellent for tired legs. A few more, inhaling up and exhaling down. Taking our time, we're gently rolling on our sides and help yourself up with elbows and arms. You're going to come into a kneeling position. Have your toes touching but open your knees wide, making space for the baby. Then lean forwards, nose, forehead on the floor. Your arms are outstretched. If you can't get your nose and forehead on the floor, you can place it onto a block or a pillow. And just rest here. You can rock your hips from side to side. This is perfect for back pain. This is called child's pose. Now we're back onto all fours and you're just going to slide the right knee between your hands. Lift up through your spine. Your left leg is straight behind you. You're going to take the left hand onto left thigh. Lift tall through the chest and twist and look over at your left ankle. Deep breaths through your nose. You can also put your hand on your hip. Sometimes people prefer this. Back to the center. We'll slide that knee back and slide the left knee between the hands. So let your right leg slide back. You're on the top of the knee. Lift up through spine, placing your right hand onto the thigh or the hip. Twist gently and look around at your right heel. Deep breaths through your nose. This is pigeon pose. Excellent for sciatica. We're going to have the toes touching again, knees are wide, and bring your nose and forehead to the floor into child's pose. Use the block if you need to. You need to keep your neck in line with your spine. Gentle rocks from side to side. Now we're coming back up onto hands and knees. Leave your right knee where it is. You can adjust the foot position slightly to help you balance, but stretch the left leg out. Toes are pointing forwards on the left leg. And just really stretch up tall through your left side. You can put your hand on your hip and look at your elbow, or just look straight ahead. Whatever feels most comfortable for you. Now we're changing sides. So again, we're taking the right leg back, leaving the left knee where it is, but you can adjust your foot position, hands on the hips, or some people like to stretch right over and reach tall. We're going back onto hands and knees. Make sure your knees are in line with hips and feet are in line with knees. Exhale and round your back. Inhale and arch your back. So as you're exhaling, you're really pushing through your arms. As you're inhaling, just reach up tall and pull your shoulders back and down. This is excellent for back pain. Really useful for turning your baby if you've got back-to-back labour. Exhaling, hunch, and inhaling, arch. We use this deep breathing throughout the whole class. You're going to sit on your heels, hands behind your back on your lower part of the spine, and really arch your back. But you can either drop your head all the way back or look straight ahead. Inhaling, your tummy should rise, and exhaling, let it fall towards your back. Now we're stretching out the hamstrings. Excellent for sciatica. Come up onto your knees. Stretch the left leg out nice and tall. And use the blocks to lean forward just a few millimeters. You're just hinging at the waist. Lovely straight back. And breathe deep breaths through your nose. You don't need to go down too far. Just feel the tension melting away in your spine. Now we're changing sides. Use the blocks to help you balance. Bring them back. Straighten out your right leg. Keep your back nice and tall. Walk the blocks out and hinge gently at the waist. Head stays in line with spine. Inhaling, let your tummy rise. Exhaling, let it fall towards your back. Thank you for watching. Yoga for back pain. We're going to rub our palms together and create some warm energy on the palms. Close your eyes, place them on your eyes and flick your eyes open. Hands on heart center. Namaste.